Nowadays, facing up to the risk of fire involves pushing beyond limits. There is a need for technologies capable of communicating and operating in an integrated way in defense of the building system in order to face emergencies right away. From the union between technology and connectivity comes total control. Inim Fire, a revolutionary platform for remote management of Inim firefighting systems. The security manager monitors the building from a remote location, receives push notifications and real-time verification of the alarm signal, responds to the danger instantly. The maintenance manager checks the system status in real time. The security manager keeps the system log up to date daily with scheduled accuracy, enters notes for each event, prints out the system log documents, signs the system log to justify and close the event, guarantees a park of efficient law-compliant systems at all times. The maintenance manager saves all the performed tests to the maintenance log, obtains detailed reports which are immediately available for consultation, enters notes on alarm events, fault events, training activities and drills. Inim Fire. Total control.